Here's a target, y'all, from 100 yards. Here it is. Yeah, we got a nice little setup out here, y'all. So I think we're gonna use one of these other ones and try out some of these 9 rounds that we got. Put it under the chrono, see how it's doing. All right, happening everybody. Yep, y'all know what time it is. We back at it again, y'all. With some new reloads that we're going to test out with these 9s and put them on a chronograph. This will be the first time we try our reloads or put our reloads on chrono. Know what I mean? Pistol wise. So hopefully it work out, y'all. Yeah, we got about 80. So we'll just leave this here. Hold on, let me go grab some more mags. Couple more mags. Alright. Let's try them out, y'all. See how they do. Alright, everybody. I got 5 rounds that I'm putting in. These are Winchester brass. And we got them with some extreme HPs, y'all. Yes, yes. Just gonna do 5 with that mag and 5 with this mag. We hope everybody's doing all right. We are using the same target that we had the last time we were out here, which is the ones with the ducks. And this is a new low development, fresh out the press, y'all. Fresh out the press. We have some regular small primers in here and some CFE pistol, and of course that Extreme Freedom hollow point. All right, let's go to the line, y'all. 15 yards.
Athlete, load up 5 rounds.
All right, everybody, just got done cleaning this. Let's go for that top right target, y'all.
Athlete ready?
I'm ready.
Stand by.
All right, y'all. Whew, man, I can't wait to see what this result is on this chrono, y'all. Let's check out the chrono right quick. CFE pistol going at 1139, 1156, 1154, 1165. 1139 is our low, y'all. Nice ES right there, I think. Yep. So go ahead and delete those 5 shots. Let's check the target out, y'all. Let's see if I at least got close to that top right target. Okay. Now, as I mentioned before, that we've already used this target, but you can clearly tell the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's still a clean target. So I'm gonna go at it again, y'all.
All right, athlete, make ready. Athlete ready?
I'm ready. All right, y'all, let's check out the chrono right quick. We have one at 11 11:31, 11:37. Our high is 11:37. Our low is 11:31, 11:34. Oh man, that's real nice, I think. Yeah, man. Let's go to the target and see what happens. Okay, we got a little bit closer, a little bit better, a little closer group, smaller group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty decent, y'all. Pretty decent. I really like that. We're going back to the line. I'm gonna let the boys try it out. Hopefully they don't hit the chrono. All right, everybody. Turkey is loading up 5 rounds on his first mag and another 5 on his second mag. All right, everybody. We're on the 15-yard line, and Turkey is ready. Make it hot. Make it hot, athlete. Come on, Turkey, make it hot. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your target is top left or bottom left?
Bottom left.
Bottom left target. All right, y'all. Let's hope he does not take this tripod down. Athlete, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Lock your wrist. Lock your wrist. You're not locking it good enough, son. There you go. All right. Pretty nice run. Those rounds are still performing fairly well, y'all. $11.62, $11.56, $11.42, $11.62, $11.31 is our low. And our average is $11.47, y'all. Oh, yeah. Let's check this target. Okay. This was his target. He got 1, 2. He got 2 in. Pretty much 2, y'all. Big boy pointed out the third one right there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Nice set of grouping. All right, everybody. We're back at it again. Turkey, make it hot. All right, y'all. Bottom target again, Turkey.
Yes, sir.
Athlete, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Good job. Don't do that. All right, y'all. Let's review this chrono. 11:21, 11:54, 11:33, 11:50. Our high is 11:54 and our low is 11:21, y'all. Average of 11:39. I think these are some decent rounds, y'all. They're not too. Oh, I almost forgot. They're not too bad at all, y'all. Go look at this target to see how he did. Looks like he got one right here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. He was all over the place. All right, y'all. Man, these ducks is gonna get it. I'm gonna get one of y'all, man. All right, y'all. We got Big Boy. Big Boy is in the building. And you can make it hot, Big Boy. He's going for the bottom round target to the right. Athlete, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. All right, let's check out this Chrono. Oh, man. What was you doing, shooting around the thing?
No.
Well, something ain't right, y'all. He didn't even, nothing registered. So let's go ahead and look at the target. All right. 2 right here, 2 right there, and 1 right here. But his target was down here. All right, y'all. Big Boy already made his second mag hot. And he is going for that same bottom right target. Okay. Athlete, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
This time, try to go through that chrono without hitting the chrono, all right? Stand by. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got on this chrono. That time he did go through the chrono, y'all. Look at that. 11:27. Oh man, he only shot 1 time through the chrono, y'all. Something. The chrono's acting up.
I think it's my height.
Now he got a handicap on him, y'all. All right, let's go to the target. Let's just go to the target.
I see 2.
Well, he got two on his target, y'all, right there. Right here, 1, 2, and then 3.
That's marked.
I don't know where that other one went. Yeah, there you go. All right, my turn. My turn. I ought to get one of them ducks.
All right, athlete. Make ready.
All right, I'm finna get it ready, y'all. Finna make it hot. But I believe I'm gonna go for one of the ducks. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go for the top left duck. Yeah, the top left duck. The top left duck and the top left middle duck. Those 2 ducks. I'm ready.
Stand by.
I know I got 2 on that duck on the right. All right, come on, let's check it. Check my string right quick. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe it's getting late out here, y'all, for this. And that's cool. Might have to put this thing up. Let's go to this Target and see how good or how bad we did. Oh man, these ducks are fast swimmers, y'all. Got one right here. Uh-oh! Look like I got me a duck. Quacky quack quack, y'all. Got one on the boot tag.
Athlete, make ready. Oh,
I'm ready.
stand by.
All right, I'm going for the top.
Hold on.
I'm going for the top right duck and the top middle right ducky ducky. Ducky ducky ducky. Y'all ready?
All right. Stand by.
All right, y'all. We did remove the Chrono out of the way because it was in the way. And let's see how bad I missed the ducky ducky. So we got two right here, looking nice. Got one down here that dropped down. And got two more down here, y'all. We're back at the firing line, and I'm standing here next to Turkey. Get your 5 rounds ready, son. Make it hot. What target you going for?
Big duck and little duck on the far left.
What?
Big duck and little duck on the far left.
All right, big duck and little duck on the far left. Athlete, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Stop doing that. Stop. Stand up. Put the optic to your eyes. There you go. You don't have to duck down. Lock your wrist. See how bad he did, y'all. Tried to go all fast. He don't want to listen. These are the results. Far left. He got one on that bad boy. Look at that, y'all. Turkey. Turkey got him a ducky. So, but he missed them other ones. No. Exactly. Show muzzle, man. Hey everybody, we back at the firing line with Turkey. Turkey make it hot. He did all right with that one. Lucky shot, y'all. Let's see if he can do it again. What target you going for, Turkey?
Middle duck on the bottom.
The big duck?
Yes.
All right, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. All right, let's walk it. See how Turkey did, y'all. Sure hope he did all right like he did that first time with that lucky shot. But I can tell y'all now, that duck was swimming around on his butt. But he did get him on the tail end, y'all. We back at the line with Big Boy. Big Boy, make it hot and let us know where you sending these freedoms to.
Middle, blue, white, and red.
Okay, that's simple enough. That's simple enough. Okay. You got it hot?
Yes, sir.
Athlete, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Remember to lock your wrist. Stand by. And wait for the I wasn't talking to you, big boy. I was talking to Turkey. He's just over there playing around, messing with me, man.
It's low.
Yeah, I knew that. All right, everybody. We're back at the firing line with Big Boy. Make it hot, Big Boy, and let us know which target are you going to send the Freedom to.
I think I'll...
Come on now, Big Boy. We don't have all night.
Middle one again.
What?
I'll try a middle again.
Middle what?
Blue, white, and red.
All right, here we go. You got it hot and ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Hit your target. Take your time. Hit your target. Hand him that marker, dude. All right, walking over here to see how Big Boy did. I really hope he did a lot better this time. You know, taking your time is gonna make a world of difference, y'all. If you just take your time. Look like he hit just above the target.
All right, shooter, make ready.
I'm gonna go for that middle bottom duck.
All right.
All right.
Shooter ready.
And I'm gonna go for that middle circle, that middle round target. Okay.
That's quite a distance, sir.
I know, that's why I wanted it. All right, come on. Duck first, then the top target.
Athlete ready.
I'm ready.
Athlete stand by.
I put 3 on that top target, and I think I was a little too low on this middle duck. Well, look like I might be a little too high now. Let's see. Nope, right here on the ducky duck. And right down here. And on this middle, I got 1 right here, 2 right there, 3 right there. All right, we can work on that.
Ready. Athlete ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna go for the same middle target, the round target in the middle, and that middle duck at the bottom.
All right. Athlete stand by.
Here we go. This is it, y'all. This is it. This is it. That was the last 5 rounds for the day. And I did not do good at all, y'all. Yes. The ducks got away, y'all. 1, 2, 3. That was the other ones. I got this duck. Yeah, well, that's what the target looking like, y'all. There it is, y'all. So, we getting out of here, y'all. It's getting late, it's getting nippy. So, if you ever have time, go to the range and have some fun with your family, y'all. Remember, you can do it too. And on that, peace. Oh,